Well, hello there. I am Eileen Button, and I'll be your instructor for Comm-200, otherwise known as the Survey of Human Communication. It's a great course. Honestly, I have never taught it online like this, and obviously also COVID's changed a lot of things, but I think it's going to be really great, and I'm just really glad that you're here. I just want to cover a couple things that you might be wondering and just give you a sense of the course overall. So, Survey of Human Communication, it's kind of an intimidating title. I think of it more along the lines of an intro to communication course, or maybe even just like intro to human being. Because we do so much talking and so much learning about just what it means to be human, what it means to communicate, what it means to have relationship, how do we handle conflict, how do we talk better, think better, communicate better, how do we resolve the things that are between us. I love the course. Students who have taken it seem to really enjoy it too. So I hope that definitely is the case for you. So just to give you an idea, I will have the entire course organized in 15 modules. We also have 15 weeks, and your book has 15 chapters. So how convenient. Those of you who are wondering right now, does she really use the book? I do. So if you haven't ordered it yet, please get your hands on it in any way, shape, or form you need to. If it comes with any supplemental stuff, don't worry about that. The only thing you'll need to purchase for this course is the book, whether it's used or rented or gotten online. In terms of textbooks, it's on the cheaper end of things, and I'm glad about that. Textbooks are outrageous, as you all know. So, because there are 15 chapters and 15 modules and 15 weeks, we'll be doing a chapter a week. And we'll be doing all kinds of things associated with those. So, there will be discussion boards and assignments linked to those as well. And then there will be two, what I call asking for a friend assignments. And those are just different, a little fun. It's a way for you to actually write a case study about something that you know about, maybe in someone's life or your own. And then you get to look at the chapters that are assigned, linked to those assignments, and you develop 3 questions that if you were writing the case study for, say, a test or for a group, what are 3 questions from those chapters that people who just studied the material would be able to answer? So again, there are 2 asking for a friend papers. They're just like 1 or 2 pages long, single spaced. So they're not super long, and I will be giving you examples for you to look at as well. One that I've written, and then actually 2 that students have written that I found especially strong. And then we will be also having you do a larger paper, a 4 to 5 page paper on something that you find super interesting in communication that you can dig deeper in. And so that will be a researched paper complete with sources. And then instead of a presentation, which is what we would do if we were in face-to-face classes, I'm going to have you upload a 5-slide PowerPoint presentation that complements that. So if you were to then present on the item that you found really interesting, what would those 5 slides be about? So that will be also what you'll be doing. throughout it as well, I may be uploading articles or TED Talks, whatever I find, sometimes assessments for you, whatever I find complements the chapter content well. And also that's not just busy work, but that actually will grow our spirits together and that will help us to become better communicators. I've had a lot of students say, oh my gosh, now that I know this, I'm getting along so much better with my boyfriend, my girlfriend, my significant other. And that's really interesting. So I'm thankful for that. And I hope that is the case for you as well. I do have other jobs, but that being said, contact me. I'm going to give you my, of course, my emails, also my cell phone number and so on. If you call or text me, you'll need to tell me who you are and what section of Comm-200 you're in. And you'll also need to maybe wait a little bit because I might be on my another job. And as soon as I get a break or a time away, I will contact you back. So I try to grade things as soon as possible. But again, because of time, it may be a couple days. So just be aware of that and ask me any questions you have along the way. I'd be really glad to help. So I'll upload the syllabus and get you going, but I just wanted to kind of do an orientation video so you could at least meet me, and hopefully in Module 1 you'll also get to know and meet one another, and together we'll start this journey. I'm really glad you're here.